Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn about how to manually pan and zoom in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, let's get started. Drag and drop the video to Source panel. Now, go to Effects Control. We can zoom in and zoom out like this. Now, the only thing you have to do is to select the location from where you have to start pan and zoom. Only then, you have to mark tick on the clock-like option right there. Click on both the scale and position options. Now, go to the end of the video. Then, you have to go to the position option and change the position to where you want to end the pan and zoom, as like I do. Then click enter so that the video will start rendering and it will preview smoothly. Make sure that you have subscribed to our channel. Thanks for watching.